Hello, welcome to Pragmatic Training. In this short video, I'll show you how to organize your recorded script little bit. I have opened my JMeter and loaded the script that I created. Let's look at the component. First, we have test plan, and if you want to set any global variables, you can define here or inside the within the user defined variable sections. Here you have option to set the some description as well in addition to the name and value pair. If you go to HTTP request default, you can see that the values are hard coded. You could use these variables here. Let's see how to use the variable, the host here, and $CHEME here, scheme here. So that's done. And if you go to this recording controller, this is used when you do the recording. Once the script is created, you should get rid of this. Otherwise, what will happen if you click clear all the record sample, the whole thing will go, and you may have to do it again if you accidentally save the test plan in between. So there are two things that you have to do. One is introduce undo feature in JMeter. The other thing you have to do is change the controller. Right click, select and right click, insert parent, change controller, logic controller, and you can add the simple controller just to group it. Likewise, you can add here. Also, you can now there is no risk in deleting the files accidentally. And if you go to this section, you can see that the username and passwords are hard coded. You can define the username and password here. User name, admin, and the password as ptl@#321, and you can replace the values with $sign within the curly bracket. User name, variable names are case sensitive, ensure that it is followed, and likewise you can do. Can save it. And finally, let's see how to introduce training, JMeter, install Apache JMeter, and inside the bin directory you have jmeter.properties file. Undo. So you can set undo is resides here, but the best practice is to do it in user.properties file, not here. So go here, user.properties file, open the file, and you should define the values here, set it on, save it. Once these changes are done, it's always important to restart JMeter. In this case, I will quit JMeter. In Windows, you have the option for starting JMeter, restarting the JMeter as well. And there you have option to for undo. Let me show you the effect, and if I load some other test plan and select this, and if you click this, accidentally all the recorded requests will be deleted, and you can bring them back using undo.